Welcome back to the channel, guys. Simplypops here, and today is iPhone 14 Pro Day, and as a channel tradition, I'm here to showcase every single iPhone color. This time, of course, with the iPhone 14 Pro. In a little bit, I am going to make a video on the standard iPhone 14. I pick up all of those colors as well, so stay tuned to the channel. Here are the iPhone 14 Pros in action. So starting off with the gold one, because this is the one that I didn't really see. So many people got the purple, the space black, and even the silver. Let's see how the gold one is looking like. So this year's Pro box is all white. The iPhone text on the side, and if you look at it closely, it is gold. So each color is gonna match with the color of your phone, so the text. And just like last year, this year you don't have no plastic in the outside box, just these pull tabs. I want to give a shout out to Cookie for helping me out and scanning all these iPhones. Okay, this is it. The iPhone 14 Pro in gold. And I must say, it looks exactly the same as previous iPhones gold. So nothing has changed. And inside the box, you have your Lightning to Type-C. And you have your no more SIM ejection tool. So everything is eSIM if you live in the USA. If you're in Canada or other regions, you're going to have that SIM ejection tool in the box. Apple stickers there. Let's see how that dynamic island is going to look like. Okay, so we're going to turn that on, and you can see it right away from the cutout. So let's have this one on the side, and let's unbox the silver. Now, I ran a little community poll asking you guys what color you go with, and believe it or not, gold was the least favorite or the least popular color, and silver was in third place. And I looked at oh, this is space black. I thought this was silver. Okay, so space black, I actually looked at it in the store, and this is going to probably be my go-to color this year. It just looks so sleek, so elegant. Love the way how space black or the space gray variant is looking this year. Okay, I kind of messed up the order there, but oh, look at the stainless steel, all black. This reminds me of jet black. Right, so this is kind of like giving me jet black vibes from the iPhone 7. Nonetheless, this is clean. All right, let's take a look at the silver. Yes, so this is the silver this time. In the iPhone 14, you have that A16 Bionic chip, bringing efficiency. Oh yeah, the silver definitely looks different this year. So if you decide to go on silver is actually pretty clean looking. But my only thing with silver, the stainless steel is going to scratch up very easily. So just be aware of that. It looks clean now, but as wear and tear goes on, it's going to be more scratches. But the good thing about it is you can actually polish it up with some polishing cream, and you should be good as new. I actually have the 13 Pro Max here, and here's how they look side by side. And this year's color is a little bit more cooler. Even though on camera it might look the same, I'm doing the best I can to showcase both of these colors in action. And the camera module is definitely bigger. You could definitely tell. But silver is actually clean. And last but not least, the elephant in the room, the Coupe de Gras, the grand finale, the deep purple. This is Apple's brand new color this year. And I'm trying to breeze through this unboxing. So ooh. Okay, just like the Sierra Blue, this one is purple. This is that Thanos purple, and it looks pretty good. And let's peel off that sticker. Okay, you got that dynamic island right away. But this purple looks kind of clean too. For me personally, if I have to rank all these colors right now, looking at them, man, that space black, I'm going with space black number 1, number 2, purple, number 3, silver, and last, gold. The gold is good, but it just didn't change this year. Every color changed except for the gold. The silver is a little bit more cooler. The purple is the new color. Space black is brand new, basically. It's been totally different. Oh, yeah, I'm going with the space black this year, without a doubt. And nonetheless, as a channel tradition, I'm going to put this on a turnable table so you can get all the shades of colors. I'm going to take this outside. I'm trying to move fast so I can get this video as soon as I can. And all right, guys, this video is a wrap. Just showing you guys the colors one last time. Let me know down in the comments down below which color are you planning on going with, or which color is your favorite. And that's the best thing about these videos. No matter how long you watch this, 2 years later from now, it's still going to be just as valuable. So stay tuned for the iPhone 14 all color unboxing. That one's coming relatively soon. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And until next time, Simply Pops out.